These firefighters do a good job. Apartments are on fire. The fire's right at the door.
Hey, did you guys go to the door and get everybody out?
Yeah, I got everybody out. The lock was busted, so I couldn't get in. The fire was right there at the door. I got an axe taking it to the door now. Man, that fire is right at the door. I'm stoked for these guys. I'm glad they got proper equipment on. Because when that door opens, that fire is coming out. There goes the water. He got the door open. Awesome. Good job, guys. I tried to get in the window. The door was locked, or the locks are busted, so I couldn't get it open. The previous tenant broke the key in the lock, it looked like, and did something else to the deadbolt where it wouldn't work. You guys are doing an awesome job. Great job, guys. Looking like they got the fire contained. Just gonna go through, spray everything, make sure there's no ambers. I need to move my ladder.
from the fire today. Oh my goodness.
Awesome, dude. The wood's not damaged.
Yeah,
Man, we got lucky.
Dad didn't even hit the trusses. Well, that corner might have a little on the. But
yeah, we're good though. We ain't got to replace no wood.
Man.
Awesome. So it's a lot of drywall, carpet.
That carpet's gonna be a get up. We're gonna have to scrape it.
It's gonna be because the padding. Remember, the padding is made out of that.
We're gonna
so it's
foam.
gonna stick.
So we're gonna have to take a scraper and.
Yeah, it's gonna be melted.
We're gonna have to scrape this out of this floor. Oh, look.
So my concern was the water heater was leaking and it's not, so we're good there.
They got fire damage on the doors. This whole frame.
Flames licked all the way up through.
Yeah, we're gonna have to change out door front.
Cabinets are a loss. The contrast, just your white face and all that soot. It's just. Let me go grab her. Let her see if she can grab anything.
Oh yeah, the fridge is.
Like step in there and look. Fridge is done, stove's done, all them cabinets are gonna come out. He's not here.
Oh.
He's not here.
Well, I got a lot of damage.
Right outside the door of the one that caught fire. Something says down this. Complete destruction. Complete. So far, I've got all the drywall and everything gutted out. I've got the carpet and everything taken care of with the luck of demolition crew. And we'll be getting the next done here within the next week, maybe two. Got a lot of work to do.